What's up, my group? Uh, Chris with Cross CNC and CNC for Newbies here. I wanted to come at you today. I got a really couple cool projects going through, and I haven't been too active because I've been cleaning up the garage. And then, just as I was getting the garage cleaned up and ready to rock and roll, the AC unit here actually flooded the garage. So, if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all, right? Uh, but you got to keep a smile on your face. So we got a couple things going on, and one of the things that I'm doing is I'm digitizing a uh, a project here. I won't go into too much detail as to what the project is, but it's that. So I need to digitize that, and then I need to digitize this. Let's see. There you go. Okay. So um, with that, I have a 3D digitizing probe, and I have a weighted precision ground circle. So first thing I wanted to show you guys was actually probing an inner circle on UCCNC. So this probe has a ball end on it. Um, let's see here. The ball end on this will look something like that. For this one, you can kind of see down in there. Um, let's see here. There we go. So you guys can see the ball, and that ball is 0.073 thousandths of an inch. Okay. And I used a dial indicator to indicate the um, concentricity of the probe tip to the spindle center and adjusted it. And now I'm going to use the probing function in UCCNC to actually probe the inner diameter. Okay. So the very first thing I wanted to do was I went into setup and I did override spindle or override probe diameter, and I put in the size of the probe, the tip of the probe, and that populated right over here. Okay. So you can actually see right over in here, it populated it. And then over here, I put -3 and 3. I checked these 4 boxes here, and I'm going to start probing. And it comes over, it touches. Now it's going to find the center of that diameter. And now that's centered. Okay. So that helped me find the center of that diameter, which is precision. And then I can go to a plugin called Probe It, PROBEIT, Probe It UC. You can buy it for $50, and I can actually utilize that system to calibrate the tip diameter of my probe. And then I can actually create a full surface grid to take a 2.5 by 4 inch probing grid and get all the dimensions off of this part that I need. So as you can see, it has some really nice shape to it. It has some curvature, has relief up at the top, and this will probe all of that. So now I'll calibrate the tip, and then I'm going to go ahead and 3D probe this once I find the center and go from there. All right. So that's what we're working on. Later on tonight, I'm going to go live again, and I'm going to explain anti-backlash nuts to you guys and explain the different kinds and how we can adjust them and what you're looking at for adjustment. And we'll go from there. Later, guys.